Growing your own produce at home has seen a surge in popularity in the last decade, as it encompasses three huge trends: eating clean, saving money, and knowing exactly where your food comes from. Whether you're in love with the premise of homegrown organic vegetables or are simply looking to reduce your shopping bill, this list of 5 vegetable garden ideas will have you reaching for your trowel. Number 1. Raised beds. Raised beds are a sleek-looking way to have your vegetable garden presented in your backyard. It looks clean and landscaped, while also being functional. You could grow different types of vegetables in each planter. For example, you could plant root vegetables in one planter, lettuces in another, and so on. This method of separating your vegetables in different planters will help you focus different types of plant food on specific types of vegetables to help them get the nutrients they need and improve their growth. The raised beds shown here are bordered with wooden planks, keeping your vegetables to their own area and ensuring your yard remains neat and tidy. Number 2. Fancy plant. Vegetable gardens, though beneficial in many ways, are often considered to be quite unattractive and messy, and therefore are generally not present in yards that are immaculately kept. This doesn't need to be the case, however, as is displayed here in this yard where defined vegetable garden beds sit on a manicured lawn. Providing the vegetable patches are well maintained, you can still achieve a polished look. Using an edging tool around the vegetable beds will create a defined look, adding to the pristine effect. Grouping similar vegetable types together will also prevent the beds from looking disorderly. Number 3. Yard sale pots. You don't need a lot of space or money to grow your own vegetables. Pots and planters are ideal vehicles for growing vegetables, and you can use the containers that you probably already have lurking around your garage or garden shed. You could also pick up a selection of various pots at yard sales, as a collection of old mismatched pots filled with growing vegetables will fit with the popular rustic trend. Growing your own food doesn't need to be expensive. You can have fun sourcing containers from markets or friends and family, and then find more enjoyment in planting your vegetables and watching them flourish in your inexpensive mismatched pot collection. Number 4. Divide and conquer. A large bed with a divider would work well for people who have a small to medium-sized lawn, or for people who want to keep their vegetable garden fairly compact while still growing a variety of vegetables. This is a more easily achievable alternative to having several vegetable beds, which would require more space and more effort to create. The divider is a simple and inexpensive solution for keeping different varieties of vegetables separate. These dividers can be purchased from hardware stores, but could also be easily replicated at home with a few lengths of timber. The planks need to be set out in a grid shape and could be secured together either with glue, screws, tack nails, or garden string. Number 5. Hanging planters. Growing vegetables in hanging planters is an excellent space-saving solution and could be done with just a few planters or in bulk as seen here. Utilizing hanging planters means you can keep different types of vegetables separate, which can benefit the plants themselves. But it will also make life easier for you if different vegetables require different treatment in terms of the frequency and amount of watering they need. Planters are best hung from metal frames for strength and stability, as they can become quite heavy when filled. The planters themselves could be built from wood, metal, or plastic, depending on the look you are going for and the amount of money you wish to spend. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.